Those are some good numbers you had this week. Proud of you. Proud of your progress. Very good. Definitely have busted past that 240 beat per minute mark with eighth notes. Since you got up to the equivalent of 270. So very, very happy to hear that. With those hammer-ons pull-offs. And then with your triplet thing. Getting that all the way to 255, that's awesome. So we're going to be working with 16th notes today. So let's get to number one here. It's all 16th notes the whole time, so this will be a bit more challenging. And you might find one part a little bit tricky hitting this. Basically, you have these two beats here, and then you hit this last note. So at the end of every two beats, you have this note that you're going to hit, which happens to be the start of this note, or the start of that pattern. So this note's the same as that. This note, same as that. So it might sound a little weird at first. Wait a minute. What am I talking about? This note is the same as that. These two are not the same notes. These two are. These two are. So anyway. So this would be a quick hand shift. So, just be careful of that. Here it is at 60. And let's go to 100 next. $140. Stop at 180. So that'll be a tough one to get. Let's see, next one. So this is like a combination of exercises 2 and 3 from last week. Because you have an ascending and a descending on the same one. So this is going up that Locrian shape you learned. Going down, you haven't learned this shape yet, not completely. Let's see, from here to here. Basically part of that Dorian shape you learned. However, it's basically like a 3-note per string version of the C major scale that I'm using here to keep the pattern. So we'll be getting to the 3-note per strings deals sooner now that you have all the other scale shapes memorized. What the heck was I going to say? It's here to here you'll have a bit of a stretch. So you got 2 whole steps apart there, so just be careful of that. So you may not be getting this one as fast as exercises 2 and 3 from last week because of the stretch, but hey, let's try it anyway. So 60 beats. Now from here, I'm going to shift over and pinky starts that note, so that section there. So first, third, fourth, shift over, fourth, second, first. So pinky is used on the 10 and 12 there. So back to the start. Speed. is difficult for a lot of people. 240. Some people have goals of hitting triplets at 240. My goal is to always do it at 3. Because I'm ridiculous. Most stuff you don't even need to do it that fast. But I have an ego problem! So yeah, since you got the triplet picking so damn fast, let's go ahead and do some 16th notes now and push it. Okay. So basically the pattern is this. I'm just gonna pick each note once. So you have this. Picking each note 4 times. So I just did that so you can see what your fingers are going to be doing. Whoops. Alright, here we go. 60 beats. Do 100 next. And 200. And let's stop at 220. Alright. Coil stuff. See if there's anything tricky in that E-Phrygian. Yeah, I think it's a good idea to work up here. Next week, though, I'll want you to... No, I'll take the 3 note per string shape there. Guess what? I don't practice ever. Yeah, and then we'll talk about muting the strings here. Well, maybe we'll save that for next week. Okay, so up here, let's see anything tricky I can think of. Okay, so you have some more finger rolls here. So let's see. Alright, so going from the 15th fret on the D string, so 15 here, then you go up string, 12, 14. So when you go to the B string for the first time, keep your finger flat so you can roll back down to the G string. So we're going to roll from the B string down to the G string. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then when you're going to go back to the B string here, so you got 13, 12, 14, 12. You're going to have to roll your finger from on the tip to flat. And that's it. Look. Oh my God. See, we all have shit we gotta practice. All right, let's go through real slow here, so you have a reference. Okay. Yeah, we'll talk about like working on string muting next week, or I guess less than a week now. Yeah. Well, as usual, if you got questions, please ask, and keep up the good work. I'll see you Friday. Definitely retain those scale shapes. I would make that part of your warm-up routine. Just run through them a few times, and we can start talking about improv stuff. And yeah, we're gonna start talking about some improv ideas on Friday. Right. See you then.